Hi friends, my name is Debbie Abel and I'm gonna be doing this Christmas card. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm using today. I'm gonna be using these watercolor cards. Also, I will be using this glitter that I had at home and some glue. This one has a very thin tip. Make sure you have that. And a piece of the inside of your toilet paper. So we're gonna start off by getting our watercolor ready. Make sure it has a lot of watercolor and you're gonna make ovals. So we're gonna make the first oval. Make sure the edges are, uh, has a lot of paint. And we're gonna get our clean brush. We're gonna go around, make sure everything is nice and even. If your oval is not perfect, it's okay. It's an ornament. Um, It doesn't need to be perfect. All of the ornaments are different. Sometimes, when they're made in masses, some are big, some are small, some are perfect, some they have imperfections. So it's okay. It's gonna work perfect just for this project. So we are adding some more magenta. I forgot to give the highlight to this ornament, so I'm just taking a piece of paper and wiping off some of the excess, leaving some highlight. Then I'm going back with the darker color. I have the magenta and I added a little bit of the blue, ultramarine blue, to make a deeper color. And I'm just moving the paint around, make sure it's nice and blended. We don't want no lines. We want a blending effect. And then I'm gonna be putting some more on my left hand side. Remember, this is an oval, so it's like a 3D. It's not flat, so we're trying to give that effect by adding the darker shadows to my right, keeping a highlight, and then a little bit of darker side on the left hand side. So we're blending. Every time I blend, I clean my brush and we're just adding the paint. Make sure everything is blended. I'm just getting my paint ready. So I am adding a little bit more of a pigment just to the same sides. A little bit more here. And we're gonna do the exact same thing with the two more ovals that I will be putting on this card. So for now, I'm just gonna fast forward. It's the exact same technique, nothing much to it. Remember to keep your highlight. And also remember to subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a like. When you give it a like, other people would be able to watch these videos and maybe help them learn something new or maybe just to have fun and practice. Make sure your notifications are on so every time I put a new video, you get notified. Now we're making circles and I'm just using my magenta with ultramarine blue. Is kind of on the purple side, and then I'm making a purple and putting another circle on the top, and everybody is gonna get their own circle. Don't worry about it. We will be putting circles in every single oval. So I'm gonna put another circle with the same purple, and I will be making 3 circles per oval. And this is where I'm gonna be placing my kind of jewelry thing for my ornament. The glitter that I have is really chunky, so some pieces are really big and they look like jewelry to me, so I am gonna be using those separately. I'm making the lines. I was using a ruler, but as you can see, nothing is straight. I don't know why, but my ruler, I don't know, it was messed up, I guess. Now I'm using the glue. I'm going around my oval, very tiny dots. You don't want chunk, you want really tiny. The tiniest, the better. Because of the kind of glitter that I have that is so chunky, you're gonna see it's gonna stick a little bit too much. So if you have different type of glitter, it will be even better. But I did not want to go, drive around and buy some more glitter. So I just used whatever I have at home. But feel free, you can use anything you have. And we're making 4 lines. We're going around the oval, 2 on the inside, and then 1 in the center. Now we're putting our glitter, and as soon as we put it on, we shake it off. Make sure you shake it really good. Get rid of any excess, shake it, and then I'm gonna be using this handy tool to put my pieces, my chunky pieces on the bottom. I'm gonna add some on top, the little circles. I love anything that is shiny, so for me, this is the best project ever. I'm adding some nice pieces up here. And sometimes your tool gets a little bit of the glue, so it's kind of annoying to make it work, but clean it as you go, and then a lot of patience pays off, and just put it back in. I'm adding the second one, and then I think I need a little bit more shine, so I'm adding the circle and the circle. And try to make it in the center. Sometimes it's hard. And I'm just connecting the dots with my pen. This is a tiny marker. So I'm doing the final details. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be making more Christmas cards, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye, friends. Take care.